Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jamison, and yes, I'm that excited because this is how I cook. And I've got a wonderful unboxing to show you guys. For my wedding anniversary, my wife got me Snake River Farms steaks. Yes, American Wagyu beef. And I'm going to show you what's inside the box. Up next on This Is How I Cook. Steaks! All right, guys, so let's tear into this box. Let's see what's inside. So, first thing I love about ordering from Snake River Farms is that they have this beautiful packaging. It really makes you feel like you're getting a quality product when it shows up looking as nice as it does here in this box. So they've got some cooking instructions here. That's really nice. That way you get success with your product. This is really cold. Okay. All right, so my steaks came in this bag. So these are our steaks. We got 2 ribeyes and 3 New York strips. Snake River Farms breaks down their beef with a grading system using gold and black. If you get American Wagyu from them, then the gold is their very best grade of beef, and then the black is the next best grade of beef, and then so on and so forth. And so I was fortunate enough to get some gold series steaks. Can't wait to cook these for you guys and show you how to cook American Wagyu. But these are our New York strips, and then this is our ribeye set of steaks. And so guys, thank you again for this unboxing. Yeah, man, nice anniversary gift from my wife.